This video is about how to wind a bobbin on the BabyLock Jubilant sewing machine. Remember that the solid line is for threading the machine. To wind a bobbin, we're going to follow the dotted line. So it starts the same way under the 1 and under the 2, but then it comes across in front here. Then we're here, we're going to go in front of this thread guide and then around the tension disc. And that's really the key to the whole thing. The thread has to be under this tension disc to have the right tension on it to make a good bobbin. From there, you're going to travel over to the bobbin winder here, place your bobbin on that winder, then the dotted line continues to show that the thread goes behind the bobbin and wraps around several times, and then the thread comes out into one of these little thread cutters on the bottom. Push to the right and then hold the thread while you start to wind. It automatically cuts off the thread and starts winding the bobbin. Just make sure your thread is coming into the bobbin and not underneath. It'll come to a stop when the bobbin is full. Push to the left. You can use those thread cutters to cut your thread. If there is a little bit of the beginning thread sticking out, make sure to cut that off with scissors first. You don't want that causing any trouble inside the machine. If your thread does go under, you can lift off that piece and remove the thread from there.